video's purpose, it's my first video for New Year 2019, and it's something that I noticed today in regards to my Stage 1 Buick 455 Regal. As soon as the light changed, I'll share it with you. Listen very closely. Not sure if you heard it. I'm going to give another demonstration. Sounds like lifter. This time it's on the driver's side, not the passenger side, as it's been before when I've had low volume of oil. So now it's on the left side, and it occurs 1,200 RPM and above. Under 1,200 RPM, can't really hear it. Motor's idling now at 900 RPM. I just rolled the window down. Maybe you can hear it better now. Let me get over here. It's actually 2,000 RPM. Demo. Just put the car in park. Listen closely. That's 2,000 RPM. Wait. That's 3,000. Jesus Christ, it stopped. The noise actually stopped. Thank God. But still, I want to know what the heck it is. Or was. That's why I want you guys. Buick 400, 430, 455 All Performance Group on Facebook. And v8buick.com, of course, and YouTube. You guys can tell me possibly what the hell that is. It sounds like a lifter. Driver's side of the motor, up top. It's kind of chilly out, so I'm rolling up the passenger side window. I hear it again now. It's there, also my front brakes were changed, as well as the wheel bearings. And 4 or 5 days later, all I hear is the right, which is passenger side front brake, squeal when I depress the brake pedal, and I don't like that at all. I don't like it. Anyway, again, Happy New Year. God bless each and every one of you. I adamantly mean that with all sincerity. I'm hungry again, thank God. That's what's on my mind right now. I gotta call my boy Turbo Steve back. I'm gonna let this record until I get on the Jackie Robinson. I've been keeping the motor under 1,005 since I started driving the car today and heard the noise. RPM and we can hear it. I'll roll down this noisy driver window. RPM. That's going to be it for tonight. Again, Happy New Year 2019, everyone.